Aloha, everybody. Aloha, welcome you guys. Aloha, welcome to the Hawaiian Airlines Pau Hana Friday event. This does happen every first Friday of every month. This is for an appreciation for your loyalty as Puolani Platinum, Puolani Gold, and Premier Club members. Our entertainment today is the three handsome men of Nahoa. You can go ahead and purchase their CDs. They also have they're on iTunes as well. And for our food partner today is Buca di Beppo, which is located at Ward. So if you guys want to get a little more to eat, go ahead and make your way down to Ward. So please kick back, relax, as you start your Pau Hana Friday. Aloha.
Nice info. Tawari'i. Hawaiian Airlines promo team, flight attendant.
Don't worry, we'll get into come dance.
Co-worker.
Like that. I'm from Maui. This is actually the first time where I actually get to fly in and I'm not going to even leave the airport. I literally just flew in at 3:30 and I get back on the 6:15 flight back home. I love it.
He's happy because I usually pick him up late, so.
Yeah, my ride not going to be late this time. Because Hawaiian Airlines is not late. You know, some people say, oh, they might be late. No, Hawaiian Airlines not late. If anything, they close the door 5 minutes early.
Yeah.
Okay, if I'm running late from a show and I gotta get on, I better be there at least 15 minutes before. Because those guys, they no shame. 10 minutes, boom, door closed. We're pushing out early. But you gotta love it. You know, leading the world airlines, on-time record, Hawaiian Airlines, babes. Anyway, we call ourselves Nahoa, ladies and gentlemen. It's our privilege to share this beautiful Friday with all of you. So sit back, relax, enjoy some Ono Hawaiian music. You know, we like to actually call up on Tauri at this time to share hula with all of you guys. Hawaiian Airlines own, adorned in his beautiful Columbia blue shirt there.
Columbia blue.
Can you tell these guys been looking at shirt
Columbia blue
swatches?
because that's the same color as Bowdoin. I went to Bowdoin Bears, and we have maroon and that color
Bowdoin
blue right
Bears.
there.
The Bears.
The Bears. We're gonna invite him up to share hula with all of you guys. How about a big round of applause for Tauri, everybody? He does a song entitled Uluwehi Ikaika, speaking of different kind of limu you can find in our ocean. Huh? Right there, front and center. Yeah, unreal. He o he no ho kei ke aku, he kai mo na nui la, anui ke aloha I poine, am ke alo kalipa. He o he no kei ke aku, ke kai mo na nui la, anui ke aloha I poine, am ke alo kalipoa. He lipoa e pae ke one inula, lai kawa ke ia e, mana oe no ke ia. He lipoa e pae ke one inula, lai kawa ke ia e, mana oe no ke ia. Ho okoku kohu e kalimu kohu, ke kailu no ona moku la, haia moku haulala e hau, o ni ana I oho ia nei. Ho okoku kohu e kalimu kohu, ke kailu no ona moku la, haia moku haulala e hau, o ni ana I oho ia nei. Haina mai kapuana, kalipahu, wapilio e me kapahe, anoni me kalipalu. Haina mai kapuana, kalipo me kalimuko, wapilio e me kapahe, anoni me kalipalu.
Tawari'i. Hana ho. He said I gotta breathe a little bit. Take a breather. Take a breather, bro.
Hawaiian Airlines get talent.
Yeah.
Hawaiian Airlines get talent.
okay.
Oh, he can move though, eh? He can move.